Everybody, Mike Yankee, previous call traffic, 1 o'clock, half mile, now westbound, Mooney outside 2,600.
Mooney inside, 68 Mike Yankee.
Mike Yankee, roger, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 25 left, 68 Mike Yankee, yeah.
Tower Lear 823, Hotel Mike on the visual 25 left.
Lear 83, Hotel Mike, Valley Tower, roger, enter left downwind, runway 25 left, continue.
Left downwind 25 left, continue, 3 Mike.
Hey, Mike Yankee, turn left on Charlie, taxi via Delta 6 to ramp, correction cutter.
Charlie Delta 6, cutter 68 Mike.
Number 3, Hotel Mike, runway 25 left, clear to land, wind calm.
25 left, clear to land, 3 Mike.
Tower 8173 Mike, hold short 25 left range.
Number 173, Mike Limited Valley Tower, roger, hold short, runway 25 left, waiting off our release.
Hold short 25 left, 817 Mike.
Number 3, Mike Lima, correction, I have your release now, runway 25 left, for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25 left, November 173 Mike Lima.
Deer Valley Tower information, Lima 1953 Zulu, wind 230 at 8, temperature 37, dew point 17, altimeter 2988. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 25 left, runway 25 right. Notice 2 airmen, obstruction, rig, 0.6 nautical miles, east-southeast, 130 feet AGL flagged. VFR aircraft advised ground control, direction of flight. Arrival from south, contact tower on 11H.4. Arrival from north, contact tower on 120.2. Advised on initial contact, you have information, Lima.
Runway Mike Yankee, turn right heading 340, runway 25 left, Charlie 12 for takeoff.
Right 340, good for takeoff.
Deer Valley Tower, native 20, lifting from Deer Valley Hospital, departing the area to the south.
Native 20 Valley Tower, roger, choose west. Number 8, Mike Yankee, traffic 1 o'clock, 1 mile, southbound, helicopter case 2000.
Hey Mike Yankee. Helicopter inside, 68 Mike Yankee.
Number 8, Mike Yankee, contacting departure 2.
Over departure, 68 Mike Yankee.